So you recorded a reel and then you look back and one of the clips is in the wrong order. But you can't go in and change the clip order. So how can you change your clip video order? Let me show you in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. So I'm going to start by creating a quick sequence. So I'm going to film 1, 3, 2, and if I go to my clips, I see that I have 3 clips. However, the order is off. And if I try to move these around, I'm not able to move it. So what can I do without refilming? You're gonna do is you're gonna go done, you're gonna go to next, and then you're just going to save your clip. So once your clip is saved, you can go back and then you delete the ones that are out of order. So 3, I can keep the first one because that is the right order. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to add that clip from my saved folder. So then I can go to trim it so that it's there, add that one, and then I'm going to add it again. And let's add 3, done. So now when I click the preview, 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That is how you change the order of your clips after you've already filmed it without having to refilm your reel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!